Hello, my name is Keith Donnelly, and this is my individual presentation for CA4 change proposal for the Lean Transformation module of the MBS in Lean Enterprise Excellence. I'd like to introduce the company that I work for and clearly outline what the presentation will show. Arcadis DPS, it's a global consulting, engineering and construction management company, predominantly serving the high-tech semiconductor industry, many clients around the world. And this presentation will outline the organization's progression from instructor-led training by internal and external providers to an e-learning platform called the Learning Management System, or LMS, which is managed by the lean specialists within the organization. So what is the change problem? Why do we need to change? An organization-wide survey revealed that only 14% of staff had exposure to lean principles and practices. Now, these learnings were delivered through in-person presentations by our in-house lean specialist and external training providers. The delivery of the system was deemed inefficient and costly by the leadership team, particularly when we engaged external training providers. But through Hoshin Kamri, e-learning was identified as a key breakthrough objective for the organization's 5-year plan. And how should we manage from a change management perspective? The success of the e-learning training initiative depends on a structured and comprehensive performance management approach. The 4 perspectives of the balanced scorecard and strategy map provides a robust framework for managing and measuring the performance of the internal lean training programs. So the 4 perspectives being financial, learning and growth, internal processes, and customer. That's what makes the balanced scorecard proposal. This is the proposed change that we are going to recommend, and that is to migrate existing lean training material from various PowerPoint slides on numerous servers that were delivered in person, migrating all of that material to an online learning management system, or LMS. The organization's internal LMS will improve management of all training activities and provide invaluable metrics on employee engagement. Making this change. We can see here we have a strategy map. From the bottom to the top, we've got our 4 perspectives, again, learning and growth. If we foster a lean culture, we get continuous improvement, we get professional development. Leading into the internal business perspective, we'll improve effectiveness and efficiency of training delivery. From a customer or an employee perspective, we can enhance employee engagement and satisfaction and improve employee retention. And then the bottom line, or the top line in this case, the financial perspective. We can reduce training costs. Reducing training costs, we will increase revenue. By employee retention, we'll reduce hiring costs, which will increase revenue. Stated by Kaplan and Norton 2004, the balanced scorecard strategy map provides a framework to illustrate how strategy links intangible assets to value-creating processes. We can see the cost-benefit analysis of this proposed change. Using white belt training and yellow belt training as an example, going left to right, we can see the metrics. We can see 7,847 hours saved, calculated by reducing in-person training from 8 hours or by outside providers to 1 hour internal training. 7 hours reduced time, 7,847 hours saved. On the dollar value, that's pushing on $129,000 saved, based on the figure of the amount of participants we have in the online training. For yellow belt training, You see 187 participants equates to 2,540 hours saved. We reduced the 2-day training course by outside providers, 16 hours, down to 2.4 hours of internal training. Equates to a dollar value of nearly $44,000. These metrics increase as additional participants partake in the training. Good. Continuous learning and professional development are essential for fostering innovation and growth. Providing lean training on an e-learning platform ensures that training initiatives are aligned with the business goals. By focusing on financial efficiency, employee satisfaction, internal processes, and continuous learning, the organization can build and maintain a robust training program that drives success. As the last slide, this concludes my presentation. Thank you.